Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is your shellfish which is labeled for reasons but receives they would be accepted yes as long as the label is attached and the correct yes as long the shellfish is on the packing slips no as long as the labels has a different temperatures maybe as long as you label it yourself. The correct answer of the question is no shellfish labeled as a frozen bird receives thought should not be accepted. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and the next question. Bye bye.